Greetings everyone. The following video is a simplified explanation of GST. About the author, Dheeraj is currently working as a freelance business consultant and also teaching at a top management college in Bangalore. He previously worked with Goldman Sachs. GST has become the buzzword in WhatsApp messages, specifically related to jokes on how it is very complicated and compared with Duckworth-Lewis method amongst others things. Let us now have a simplified breakdown on goods and services tax. The question which is on everyone's mind is, why do we need GST? The answer to this is split into many facets. The most convincing of them all is as follows. India is a very large country with less than 1% of the total population paying direct taxes. This problem is a systematic issue caused due to inherent defects of the law. The direct answer to why we need GST is to deter and control tax evasion. India is not a poor country, but due well-conceived and executed tax evasion the country has been impoverished. This has indirectly led its citizens deprived of progressive nation which India can truly enjoy. GST will, by its virtue of implementation, will undoubtedly be the largest overhauling of any tax system across the world and more comparable to the likes of the disruptive demonetization. Let us understand who started the balls rolling for GST. The former Prime Minister Vajpayee was the original visionary for implementing GST in India. Worldwide GST is not a new concept but rather an old concept having roots to 1950s. GST is slated to be implemented in India on 1st of July 2017. While the government is trying to hard sell GST basis of a law which will save the citizens from the grueling cascade of taxes effect, the true motive of such a mammoth change has been left out conveniently. The major detail which has not been discussed with the citizens of how GST will benefit the government is as follows. All the taxes indirectly paid by the citizen when we consume goods and services can be broken down to central levies and state levies, but the problem is fact that there exists information disparity between the governments. Central government does not share its tax-paid information with state government and vice versa. The government is going to fix this problem by implementation of GST. To break this down, let us take an example. When the manufacturer ships out the goods, he or she is taxed in accordance with central levies. Once the goods reach wholesaler and retailer, the state levies are added on. In the earlier regime, this was taken as a blessing in disguise for the tax evaders who by criminal intent profiteered because of information disparity loophole. In simple, the state government could not for certainty authenticate the manufacturer as they could not go back in the supply chain and central government could not go down the supply chain. Also, to add to the tax evaders' benefit, they both did not have common platform or any other suitable mechanism where they could exchange the information. This loophole was the main cause of tax leakage for the government in the tunes of lakhs of crore rupees, as the information which was never in the system. Now with the implementation of GST, things will change as both the center and the state government will use a common platform, the information sharing which will be instantaneous, hence adding mileage to capturing true output of the economy. This is most well kept secret that black money, false bills, purchase and sale receipts can no longer be a part of this robust system. The backbone of this entire information technology system is GSTN, which needs an entire video to explain about how robust and validated GSTN will be. Word of caution, please see the bigger picture, do not fall prey to the WhatsApp messages which have an agenda behind them. Please feel free to reach out any paid consultation. Author wishes to thanks everyone for their time.